Okay, so far this beautiful Tuesday morning, the girls ran in screaming into my room because they heard something in the fireplace, and look what it was. There was a bird that came down our chimney and caught in the fireplace. We have all the doors closed, the curtains closed, and the front door wide open. It flew past the front door and is currently now sitting upon our window. It's a little freaky looking. It's panicked because, you know, it was stuck in the fireplace and all. Oh, man. Rachel, get the broom. Get the broom.
You get the broom.
Oh, man. It's gonna attack us. Get the broom.
No, I'm gonna kill me.
It's gonna kill you.
And you haven't seen that movie Bird? They attack.
This is a rare species. It's very, very dangerous. Let's get closer.
No, stay in the room.
And of course we've locked the children in the room.
No.
Never heard of a bird being rabid, but you know, can never tell. This one's kind of crazy. Obviously it's not very bright. Get the broom, Rachel. Seek the fresh air. Seek the fresh air at the front door. Right over here. Wide open. I should have like had the broom waiting right there and swung it so it flew out. Dang, Rachel. I don't mean to have a plan. Hey, little bird. You better not crap in my house. Okay, yeah. Let me see if I can get a really good close. It's a pretty blue bird, but I don't want it to poke out my eyes. Look at that really sharp beak. So, oh, it looked at me. Anyhow, this is our adventure for today. To be continued. If Rachel's missing an eye, then you know why.